Welcome to Story Time with me, Andrew Newman. The story for today is The Hug Factory Bursts with Love, and it's illustrated by Alexis Aronson, and it's the sequel to your favorite story, The Hug Who Got Stuck. So if you don't know that one, check it out after you listen to The Hug Factory Bursts with Love. Join me for Story Time. So this story is dedicated to all who burst. Sometimes that's even me. Maybe it's you. And we're going to start our story time with a snuggle breathing meditation. Please join me. Breathing in, I breathe for me. Nice breath in. I breathe for you. I breathe for us. And I breathe for all that surrounds us. Good. I feel more relaxed and ready for story time. One sticky day, deep in the center of a very ordinary heart, a backlog of freshly made hugs were not so patiently waiting to leave the hug factory. Ugh, moaned a Jellybean-Kindness Hug. Why are we waiting? Asked a Peanutbutter-Snuggle Hug. What's going on up there? Yelled a Glitter-Sparkle Hug. Looks like the door of the heart is blocked, came a reply down the line. There must be another stuck hug. Desperate to break free, one unlucky hug fought against the web of sticky thoughts. Meanwhile, a traffic jam of visiting hugs was rapidly forming. Let's all push, rumbled voices from the crowd. Before anyone had thought it through, all the hugs inside the factory pushed to get out the door, and all the hugs outside the factory pushed to get in the door. The hug factory creaked as the unlucky hug stuck in the middle got squeezed so tight that it squealed, ah! And accidentally made a sound like a fart. Inside the heart was inside the heart, love was leaking everywhere, oozing puddles on the floor. It didn't help that the encoding machine accidentally made 100 snotty cuddle hugs. The Jellybean-Kindness Hug moaned as it squished into the Peanutbutter-Snuggle Hug. The Peanutbutter-Snuggle Hug yelped as it smushed into the Glitter-Sparkle Hug. The Glitter-Sparkle Hug howled as it squished into the wall of snotty cuddle hugs. Oh, hold your horses, hollered a Mama Love Hug as she pushed to the front of the line. Hold your horses, hollered a Mama Love Hug as she pushed to the front of the line. Let's remember the secret to being a great hug. A crowd of hugs turned to listen. They stopped wriggling, stopped squirming, and stopped fighting. In that moment, something magical happened. As they stopped wriggling, they breathed in love and glowed brighter. As they stopped squirming, they remembered the hearts they were made for. As they stopped fighting, whop! Whee! An explosion of love blew out the door of the heart, catapulting a flurry of hugs into the world. We're free! Cheered all the hugs, zooming away to deliver their special love and care. That day, the whole world was filled with very cuddly, slightly snotty, Jellybean-Kindness, peanut butter, snuggle, glitter, sparkle hugs. Whew, the end. That day, the whole world was filled with very cuddly, slightly snotty, Jellybean-Kindness, peanut butter, snuggle, glitter, sparkle hugs. Whew, the end. Thank you for joining for this story. Our activity page is called the Hug Squeezy Meter, and we get to check and go, Are you feeling kind of easy or kind of squeezy? Let's start down here actually with number one. Everything is easy, nothing is squeezy. I feel chill. That's how we like it. And then it gets more and more squeezy, partly squeezy, kind of squeezy, not so easy, mostly squeezy, super squeezy, and nothing's easy. Uh-oh, I might explode. Mm-hmm. So let's practice resetting. You can say after me, I feel squeezed, I want to reset. Ah, I feel squeezed, I want to reset. And then remember the heart. So you put a hand on your heart. Number three, breathe in love and glow brightly. Take a deep breath through your nose like you're smelling flowers. And let go of the sticky thoughts, breathing out through your mouth like you're blowing out candles. Repeat 3 times and relax. Last one. Thank you for joining me, Andrew Newman from Conscious Stories, for the Hug Factory Bursts with Love, helping us all to reduce anxiety when feeling pressurized.